Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you another Rough Rider knife. This one will be the Denim Micarta T10 Carbon Trapper. So finally I got my hands on the large one because for some reason they released a bunch of models included with the small one, and this one came later on. So the model number is RR2182. Comes in really nice executed box, magnetic closure, some VCI paper, and also silica packing for moisture absorption because this is a carbon steel. So let me from the start compare them side by side. So this is the previously released, the small one, and here is the large one, or only called the Trapper, and we'll see later on. Okay, so the fit and finish, like on my previous Micarta models in this series, is beautifully done. What they can achieve for the pricing is extremely high value. I can only say that. So let me open up the main blade and let me give you the specifications really quickly. So we have a over length of 18.6 centimeters, that is 7.3 inches. We have two blades on this one. This is the standard Trapper pattern, and we have the first blade is the clip point one, which is 8.1 centimeter or 3.2 inches long, and we have a width of 1.4 centimeters or 0.5 inches, and the thickness is 2.4 millimeters or 0.9 inches. And it features a almost mirror polish on the surface. So the second one, and you can see there, we have both match strike pull and also nailing opening, and the elongated one, so you can definitely apply really good leverage on it and it will open really smoothly. So the second one is the Spey blade. It is 3.2 inches long or 8.1 inches, so that's the same as the previous one. The thickness is 2.5 or 1. Sorry, the width is 2.5 or 1 inch, and the thickness is 1.2 millimeters, 0.47, so a little bit thinner. Both of them have cutting edges of 7.1 centimeters or 2.8 inches. So they did try to make them the same size, and they, in my book, they succeeded. Okay, the handle is 10.6 centimeter or 4.2 inches long with a thickness of 1.5 centimeter or 0.6 inches on the widest part around here, because these swell to the bolsters, so they are thinner. Like I mentioned, we have a T10 carbon steel on the blade, so definitely a huge upgrade, because previously they have used mostly 440A on their blades. The handle construction is fairly simple and traditional. We have pinned Micarta, Denim Micarta smooth, polished Denim Micarta inlays, brass liners, and nickel silver bolsters and pins. This series does not feature any shield, so they are without. Tank stamps, we have RR and Rough Rider on the one side, on the other side also laser engraved as the model number, made in China, of course. There is no marking about the blade steel, which usually they do. Like on this one here, you can see they are mostly laser engraved on the blade, but not on this one. Okay, so the pull. The main blade has something around, I would say 5. Definitely, because of the front nail nick, you have do a really nice leverage, so you can definitely open it. Maybe even 4. I would say between 4 and 5. So definitely a very pleasant opening smoothness on this one. You will not be heartbroken to carry this one like some of the stainless steel and green micarta series. Those are just nail busters. So yeah, half stop f 90 degrees and really nice walk and talk, of course. They are nicely rounded. I feel no sharp corners whatsoever. Let me check out this one also. Okay, so the weight comes at 108 grams or 3.8 ounces. Like I mentioned, this is a trapper pattern, so really well known and popular pattern, mostly from USA, of course. Okay, so now let's see the size comparisons between the small one. One thing I don't know if it comes nicely in through the camera, but I can tell you that the previous version is a little bit lighter on the shade of blue. Maybe you can see, maybe don't. And also the bolsters are have a much more saturated goldish yellow color to it. Then you can definitely see that these two were made apart quite some time, so they had maybe another mixture, another supplier of the nickel silver. So I don't know what's going on, but it is what it is. Maybe supply chain shortages, and I will be not surprised if this was the problem, because usually they will be releasing a series as a whole, all models at once, but this took a couple of months to in between. Okay, now let's see some another knife. So since I have it on the table, here's a cotton sampler, small Stockman. These are all Rough Rider knives. I have here on the table also my triple R 009, yeah, 009, which is the swayback jack pattern. Here is the peanut. Texas toothpick, and sadly none of these pattern are in this series. I don't know what's going on, because the peanut is one of the most versatile and favorite patterns out there, of course. But good to know that the Texas toothpick will be included in the second iteration, which is the faded blue jean series, which I have here on the table. This is the new series, so stay tuned for that. Okay, let's continue with here we have a Soulbuster Junior. He's a full size or jumbo or large Soulbuster, or I should more say work knife or farmer's knife or peasant knife. Here is the Kaiser Pinch, CVV Elementum. I forgot to about the case Trablock. Here is my Chinese micarta bug out. Let's see. Here is the Benchmade Reptilian, Spider Codelica, 940 from Benchmade. Red Model 2. QSP Penguin. And let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so price-wise, the large models are sitting comfortably around $16.99. That is directly from Smoky Mountain Knife Works pricing. So they are the distributor and the reseller, of course, for a lot of other companies. If you are from Europe, I will try to link some options also for you down in the description below. You can check it out, but definitely these are really worth the money. Just keep in mind, if you are from Europe, you will pay a little bit more than I told you with the pricings of they have in the United States. But still, really worth the money if you are comparing these for some high-end custom build slip joints that could cost more than $800. Then definitely they are really cheap for what you are getting. Really nice fit and finish, beautiful polishing. So even after so many years, I'm still amazed how they can put such a great quality for such a low price out there. So from me, they are getting definitely a big thumbs up, and they will get more of my money because I really like to support a great product for great pricing, and I will certainly spread out the word. And if you are a traditional knife collector and do not have any of these Rough Riders, then I strongly suggest go check them out, buy some, and you will be really happy. With that being said, I would like to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. And if you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. With that being said, I would like to wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.